Hey guys, it is your girl Jordan back with another video. Welcome back to the channel, and if you're new here, welcome. So today I created this beautiful neutral tone kind of vibe eyeshadow, and to make the look pop I went ahead and did some gold glitter wing eyeliner. And don't forget guys, if you have not yet subscribed, please go ahead and do so now. Also give this video a big thumbs up and also leave your girl a comment. And if you have not yet followed me on Instagram, go ahead and do so. It is at Designed by Jordan. And yeah, I just wanted to have some fun today with this look guys, so let's jump into this tutorial. Okay, so I did my foundation routine, my highlights and my contour off camera, as well as my eyebrows. I do have some videos on my eyebrows as well as contouring and highlighting guys, so if you have not yet seen those, I'm gonna link those above in the iCards, so be on the lookout for that. So now I'm going in with my NYX eyeshadow base, and I'm just basically basing my eyes to go ahead and start my eyeshadow. So I went in with this shade from my BH Cosmetics Fairy Lights palette. I do also have a review on that eyeshadow palette. If you are interested, I'm going to link it above as well. So I started out by creating the shape that I wanted, and I do believe that your job is much more easier when you create your shape first. Then I went in with this brownish tone just to smooth out the edges and to blend that darker shade, to soften up that darker shade I should say, and blend everything together to make everything looks seamless. Now while I was blending, I actually went in with this Delancey palette, the black from that palette, and I went over the shape that I have, which would ultimately become my cut crease, because I don't believe that that color that I picked up from the BH palette was dark enough to my liking, so that's the reason why I chose to do so. Now using my simple micellar water, I'm just gonna go in and cut my crease. I recommend that you use this, or you could use the Vaseline trick, but I have gotten so much used to using the micellar water and it's just more easier to me, so I would recommend that you try it. Now using my NYX concealer, Can't Stop Won't Stop concealer in the shade True Beige, I went ahead and I cut my crease, and I'm just basically filling in the space. And then after I do so, I'm just gonna go in with a neutral tone eyeshadow to set the concealer in place. Moving on to eyeliner, I am using my Maybelline eyeliner to, of course, do my eyeliner. And I basically just made my wing as long as I could. I actually wanted to be as long as my cut crease, but in the end I chose not to go that far up. Now I'm just priming my bottom lashes to give them a little bit more volume when I go in with my mascara. Using my Kiss eyelash glue, I went ahead and outlined the shape of my wing eyeliner to add a little bit of stickiness so that the glitter has something to attach itself to. And then I went in and based the entire wing eyeliner using this gold glitter this gold glitter that I have. You can actually use any glitter of your choice or anyone that you have on hand. Moving on to mascara, I added some mascara to my top and bottom lashes. Then I went in with this white eye pencil because I went in with the white eye pencil first because I'm actually gonna go in with this loose gold glitter that I got from MAC, which is a much more finer glitter, which is great for your waterline, because I did not want to use the one that I used on my wing because it's more of a rougher texture, and I did not want any of the product to become loose and fall into my eyes. Then I decided to add some black eyeliner below my waterline just to make my bottom eyes pop a little more, and to tie everything together. Before I did mention that I did put some mascara on my bottom lashes, and that's what I'm doing now. And then I just basically went in with my concealer and an angled brush to clean up that entire area, as well as my wing eyeliner. Okay, so I went off camera and I finished up my face because I did not put on my pressed powders yet. Neither did I add my eyeliners or do my lips, so those were done off camera, as well as I did pop my lashes on and my wig. Also guys, very important, if you like these lashes, go ahead and purchase them from Beauty Marked by Wang on Instagram. She sent them to me. Thank you so much, doll. I really and truly love them. And yeah, just take a minute to appreciate your girl's hard work. How did I do? I would love to hear from you guys down in the comment section. We can actually have a conversation if you want. And yeah, I just really love how this look turned out. It was very simple, very easy to do. And guys, if you have not yet done so, please go ahead and subscribe down below. Also, give this video a big thumbs up so that I know that you guys like similar content like this. And also, finally, do not forget to follow me on Instagram if you have not yet done so. It is at Designed by Jordan, and I'm very active on there. So until I see you guys in another video, take care. Bye.
Lost inside my thoughts, and when I start to think, oh, the time how close it starts.